welcome to Weld School. This is a short video on the 5 basic weld joints. Okay, so we have 5 basic weld joints. We're going to go ahead and divide these into 2 groups. Those are going to be fillets and grooves. Now what you need to know about a fillet is that it makes some type of like triangular cross section. If you were to actually cut the joint in half, and you would see the weld is kind of in a triangular shape. And a groove, I would say, is something that is side by side is the way to remember it. So for fillets, we have T's, laps, and corner welds. There are 3 types of corner welds: full open, half open, and closed corner. And then we have butt and edge weld for our 2 types of groove welds. So again, 5 basic, 3 are fillets, and 2 of those are grooves. This is a T, which is, again, a type of fillet. The next type of fillet is a corner. And we also have the lap. As for the groove welds, the big one is the butt weld, quite common. And not so common is the edge weld, which you can see there is a little bit of fusion that took place there just to kind of show the 2 pieces, and the edge was then welded. That is the 5 basic joints. When you get into weld positions, we will have positions with a letter and a number. So we would have F for fillets and G for grooves.